Hey, welcome to Urban Monk TV. This is a really quick video. I got these eBay turn signals, cheap things, but they work and they got a nice chrome finish to them. And I was thinking about how I could mount those onto these headlight brackets. You know, I could drill a new hole with the correct diameter here, or I could utilize this hole, but of course it's too big. And I got to thinking, well, then just throw a washer on it, but that doesn't keep it, you know, aligned perfectly. And then I thought, well, it's a custom bike, but I've got a bunch of stock parts lying around, and what I have is these little rubber grommets from the side covers that used to hold them on, and they can fit in here. Like so. And then I just need to get washers that are the right size, and I'll get some stainless steel ones, and sandwich that rubber grommet in between those two. Whoop. And then just, again, getting a washer that's the correct size, another washer on the back side, and then the nut. Then I'm utilizing that hole. It's a nice tight location. I'm not drilling new holes. Not that there's anything wrong with drilling new holes, but I think this is a nice reuse of existing parts. And it'll look kind of professional if I get washers that are the right size and better finish, stainless steel. So that's one way to mount these cheap eBay turn signals. So a bit of a warning, you guys, and a strange one at that. On the headers, I used this VHT high temperature header paint, and I set the header down. I mean, I painted these things years ago at this point, and they're completely dried, and then I've just been moving them around the garage trying to keep them out of my way as I work. And at one point I set them on these seats of my children's electric scooters, so just a vinyl rubber seat. And as you can see, there was some kind of a reaction between the vinyl and that paint, and it actually removed the paint right here and has left a very sticky residue. So I don't know what the chemical reaction was there, but I'm gonna have to sand that down and clean that up a little bit. I don't know. I mean, It's really hidden up underneath the frame in this particular area, but there are some spots up here that are going to be visible, and I've got to fix that. So, who saw that coming? Nobody, but thought I'd make you aware of it. Probably no one else in the world is going to have that same situation happen, but who knows? A lot of vinyl seats in the garage of many people here, especially on motorcycles. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, please click the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to become a monk. Thanks for watching.